Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about different WH words which are used in WH question. And generally WH questions start with this type of WH words. First one is interrogative pronouns like who, whom, whose, which, what. Thereafter, interrogative adjectives like whose, which, what. Thereafter, interrogative adverbs like when, where, why, how. How plus any adjective like how much, how many, how tall, how far, how long, etc. Thereafter, how plus any adverb like how often, how soon, etc. Now, first of all, I am giving one example of interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which, what, anyone. Now, note here, interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns, some common WH words are there, but a little bit difference in use. For example, whose, interrogative pronoun also, interrogative adjective also, but a little bit difference is there in use. Which, it is also same. What. I am giving one example. For example I am giving, if I say which color do you like? Which color do you like? But if I say what do you want? Which color do you like? What do you want? Now look here, which, it is followed by a noun. That means just after the interrogative word which, a noun is there. That means it is interrogative adjective because it is qualifying this noun. But when I am saying what do you want, here only what, thereafter no noun is present. That's why it is interrogative pronoun. That means when the WH word will be interrogative adjective, then it will always be placed just before a noun. But when the WH word will be any interrogative pronoun, then it will not be placed just before any noun. Similarly, another example I am giving here to clarify interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. For example, whose pen are you using? Whose pen are you using? Another one example, whose is this book? First one, whose pen are you using? Note here, whose, thereafter pen, this noun is there. That means it is qualifying this noun. That's why it is interrogative adjective. But second one, whose is this book? Here, whose, after this word there is no noun. That's why it is interrogative pronoun. And also you should remember that who, whom, whose, who, whom, whose, WH words are applicable for persons, that means who, whom, whose. These three WH words are used to indicate persons only, and who is used as subject, whom is used as object, and whose is used as possessive case. Another example I am giving to clarify it. For example, who did it. Here who subject. Similarly, another one example, whom did you call. Whom, it is object. Similarly, whose, already I have given. Once again I am giving another more examples of whose, like this. Whose is this shirt. Whose is this shirt. Here whose, it is possessive case which indicates any relation or possession of something, etc. And which, what. These WH words are used to indicate both persons and things. That means these WH words, which, what, these WH words can be used for both persons and things. For examples, we can say, what is your father. We can say, what is your father. And here by using what, I am asking the profession or the trade of your father. What is your father? Here the answer will be like this, my father is a businessman, like this. Similarly, thereafter, which also, it can also be used for both persons and things. And thereafter, when, where, why, how plus any adjective, how plus any adverb. These are all, these WH words are all interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs means those adverbs which are used to indicate place, time, manner, or how often, or reason, etc. For example, one example I am giving for interrogative adverbs, like when do you get up? When do you get up in the morning? For example, when do you get up in the morning? When, it is interrogative adverb because it is indicating the time of any action. In this way, these three interrogative words, that means interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives and interrogative adverbs, are used in WH question.